Hi, this dance is called Besame, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on September 2024. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There are 3 tags, 4 count, V step after wall 2, wall 6, and after wall 9. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with this section 1. Section 1. Walk forward, right, left, side rock, recover, step forward, and then rock forward, recover, lock shuffle back. And then section 2, rock back, recover, half turn left, shuffle back, and then step back, touch forward, step back, touch forward, and coaster step. Section 3, Dorothy step, right, left, and then pedal turn, quarter, quarter. Again, section 4, or the last section, quarter diamond to right with hitch, and then side touch, close touch, and make a big side step to right, and then behind side cross. Okay, and in this dance, 4 count tags, V step, out, out, in, with a count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the dance, main dance, okay, I'll do it with a count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the music and the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!